Hello, fellow students! Welcome back to another Italian language lesson. Today I want to tackle a curious topic. I want to talk about phrasal verbs. We define as phrasal verbs a combination of words created starting by a verb or an adverb. That particular combination of words changes the literal meaning of that very phrase, making it usable in many various other contexts. Italian does not have as many phrasal verbs as English does, although I managed to identify the 20 most used phrasal verbs in Italian language. The first phrasal verb or expression that I use often is essere fuori di testa. Tu sei fuori di testa. Literally, it means you're out of your head, and it's similar to English because it means you're out of your mind or you are crazy. The second phrasal verb is mettere dentro. Literally, it is translated with to put in. However, it is very used, for instance, to indicate that some person has been arrested, put into jail. With the same verb, we can create various more phrasal verbs, like mettere via. The literal translation is to put away. Mettere via, to put away, in Italian language will refer exclusively on saving money. Mettere sotto, it means to put under. Mettere sotto can be translated with the English put under pressure, like in the following example. Oggi al lavoro sono stato messo sotto. Today at work, I've been put under a lot of pressure. Mettere sotto has another meaning. In Italian, you can use the expression mettere sotto when you, with your car, you run over something, and I hope not, someone. Ieri sera ho messo sotto un ratto. Last night, I drove over a rat. Using the verb mettere, to put, you can create the last phrasal verb, which is mettersi insieme. Mettersi insieme, literally translated, will be like as put us together. However, in Italian, it has a very specific meaning because it means that you are entering in relationship with another person. Anne and Mark, they're now in a relationship. Anne e Mark si sono messi insieme. In this case, I use the passive form, but you get the point. With the verb to give, dare, you can create 3 more phrasal verbs. Dare addosso literally can be translated with to give over, to give on top, but it has a specific meaning. In Italian, it means to harass. Oggi il capo mi ha dato addosso. Today my boss harassed me. Another one is darci dentro or dare dentro. Literally means to give into. Dare dentro. Dentro is the translation for into. But again, in Italian it has a different meaning. It means to work hard. Oggi ci ho dato dentro. Today I worked hard. Sometimes it can be used to refer as sexual intercourse. Ho sentito il mio vicino darci dentro. I heard my neighbor banging. Dare via means to give away. Pretty straightforward. Next verb is tirare, to pull. But when this verb, tirare, to pull, is facing other words, it can be translated with different meanings. First and foremost, the most used in Italian language is tirare avanti. Literally can be translated with to pull forward, but it is not the real meaning. Tirare avanti means to get by. Anche oggi ho tirato avanti. For today, let's call it a day. I get by with my responsibilities. That could probably be the translation of tirare avanti. Non so più come tirare avanti. I don't know anymore how to get by. Tirare fuori. Tirare fuori means literally to pull out. Wait. Not what you're thinking. It is more like to come up with a good idea, for instance. Ho tirato fuori un'idea brillante. I come up with a brilliant idea. Last usage of the verb tirare is tirare su. Literally can be translated with pull up, but mostly in Italian language will refer to bring up the morale, to cheer up. Ti tiro su il morale con un bel gelato. Come on, I'm going to cheer you up with a nice ice cream. Next verb is portare, to bring. Portare via, one usage is pretty obvious. Often portare will be paired with the word via, which means away. Portare via so becomes to bring away something. Portare avanti, avanti stays for forward, so to bring forward in Italian often means carry on, continue on what you're doing. Oggi porto avanti il mio progetto. Today I'm carrying on my project. Another very diffused phrasal verb is with the verb venire, to come. Venire giù literally is translated with to come down, and it is often used in Italian language to mean that you are coming downstairs. Un minuto, adesso vengo giù. 1 minute, please. Now I'm going downstairs. Another important phrasal verb is with the verb fare, to do. Fare fuori means to do out, but it is more likely translated with the English expression to take out and to get rid of. L'assassino ha fatto fuori la vittima. The assassin got rid of the victim. Mandare giù means to send down, but be careful because in Italian is the most used translation for to swallow. Non mandare giù il tuo orgoglio. Don't swallow your pride. Last 3 phrasal verbs are gonna be made with the verb buttare, to throw away. However, we can have 3 different distinctions using the verb in combination with other words. Buttare giù in Italian language can be translated in 2 different ways. First can be a synonymous for to jot down. I did jot down some notes. Ho buttato giù qualche appunto. But often buttare giù refers to the morale. Non ti buttare giù. Don't let your morale go down. Buttare via, to throw away. Often buttare in Italian language it is used in combination with via. Non buttare via la tua vita. Don't waste your life. Last, buttare fuori, to take out, but often in the meaning of kicking someone out. Mi hanno buttato fuori dal bar. I've been kicked out from the bar. Ladies and gentlemen, class is dismissed. Remember to watch my other free Italian language lessons. It means a lot to me to being capable to spread Italian culture, Italian language. And bye guys.